Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an anti-Valentine's Day look, and I'm actually living for it. It was inspired by Melissa. Hold on, I have it right here. She's like amazing. I love her work. Melissa Spiteri, I think that's how you say it. This is her Instagram page, you guys. Her work is freaking marvelous. I love her so much. So if you guys want to see how I did this anti-Valentine's Day look, then just go ahead and keep watching. So going in with my Subculture palette, I'm going to take Edge as my transition shade. Then going right underneath it with New Wave. Then taking Real Girl from my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to darken up my crease. Then I'm going to take Red Ochre and I'm going to put that on my inner and outer corners. I'm just going to do the same thing with Rowdy from the Subculture palette. Then going back in with New Wave and Edge, I'm just going to blend all those colors together. And for the middle part of my lid, I'm going to take Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette. And again, blending all those colors together. Then I'm going to start creating my winged eyeliner. Then I'm going to take Real Girl and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to pop some lashes on. And for mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And for lips, I'm using Velvet Teddy by MAC. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but whatevs. So that is all for today's video. I'm not sure how I feel about the lips, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.